Hey,
Hey,
hey, hi.
I'm just a second, just hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you?
So I'm good. How are you?
All good. My video is clear, right? It's not blurred, I
Yeah,
hope.
yeah, yeah.
Alright, so sometimes there are network issues, so just let me know if there's anything.
Yeah, sure. So fans, we have Ashnur with us
Hi,
today.
guys.
So yeah,
Hi,
shout out for your
Anjali.
fans. They have been waiting
Yes.
for long.
I know. Actually, I was just checking the internet because the lives that we've done before this, तो उसमें थोड़े बहुत इंटरनेट इश्यूज हो रहे थे. So I was like, मैं एक बार इस बार देख के जाऊँ पूरा वाईफाई वगैरह ठीक से चल रहा है कि नहीं. Hi, Simran. Hi, Garama. Hi guys, how are you all doing? Thank you and sorry to keep you guys waiting. Yes.
So tell us, how is lockdown period going for you? How is online studies going?
Yeah, it's going great actually. Initially, I was really happy that you we have a lockdown and I'm gonna get a break. But eventually, I guess it got so I got so restless, not going to shoot, not going out. So I try to keep myself busy by doing some or the other productive work. Plus, जब से online classes शुरू हो गई हैं, then I'm busy half of the day with my online classes, and then after that I'm doing something or the other to keep myself busy and keep this time productive.
Sorry to interrupt, but have you used any filter because it's some dark shade?
It's dark. Okay, just hold
Yeah.
on. I guess I'll have to switch on the light because the daylight's also almost gone, so it's better.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a second. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have seen your online studies videos and
Yeah.
photos. So are
Yeah.
you missing school, missing friends?
Actually, when I have my school, then I'm not able to go to school. So I guess online classes ke bahane hi I'm able to at least attend my lectures and attend my classes with my friends. So I guess I'm happy with the fact that I have online classes and I'm able to attend it. Otherwise, I can't go to school while shooting.
But are you missing your friends?
Of course, yeah. I mean, everybody is home quarantined, and uh, everybody is missing their friends. Everybody is missing going out. But obviously, we're so technologically advanced these days that we have our video chats, we have our calls, so all that's going on.
So yeah, tell us, you started your journey very young. So do you remember that first scene you ever shot?
And I was really young actually. I was what 5, so I don't actually remember, but I do have some hazy memories. And my mom keeps on telling me, so I don't actually remember. But yeah, I do remember that I was really excited and I was really happy about what I was doing.
And which show was it? Like,
It
do you
was
remember?
Jhansi Ki Rani. Jhansi Ki Rani. Back in 2009, I played Prachi.
So how has been your journey in television? Like you have been part of quite many shows and a few of them are quite popular as well.
Yes. I guess it's been an amazing roller coaster ride, I would say. My entire journey, now that I'm gonna complete 11 years in this industry in a month. So it's been an amazing experience, and I'm really thankful that I've been able to experience so many different things because all the projects that I've done have actually polished my art and have made me experience a different side of acting. Uh, so I guess all the genres that I have done, be it mythological, historical, daily soaps, costume drama, and everything, fantasies and all. Plus, along with television, doing ads, movies, print shoots and all that, music videos. Now that the trend is back again, so it's been an amazing journey, and I've got to learn a lot, and I learn every day.
So which is more difficult to portray on screen, like historical, mythological, like costume dramas or like daily shows?
obviously costume dramas are much more difficult because first of all the costume that becomes like a great responsibility for you to carry and act as well. प्लस जो उधर की आपकी शुद्ध हिंदी की भाषा होती है, so उसमें इमोशंस अपने पोर्ट्रे करना, because see normally like how we talking right now we can do that in our daily soaps, but in costume drama you have to actually work on it and on the language, so of course costume dramas are difficult.
We'll take few fan questions.
Yes.
We have, yeah.
Sure.
Zareen underscore X has asked your stream, science, commerce, or arts?
Commerce.
Ranit Tiwari 532 has asked उनका next song हसनैन के साथ कब आएगा, and do we get to see you in more videos,
Hi,
music
Ranit.
videos?
Well, अभी तो lockdown है, so we are all home quarantined and I'm being really selective with my music projects. लेकिन हाँ, lockdown खुले अगर कोई अच्छा गाना हो, we surely will do it and we'll keep you guys updated.
Anushka Singh 9562 has asked most memorable moment with Saurabh Raj and Little Arya.
Hi, Anushka. Well, we have had many moments actually, because off screen we have so much fun shooting. So I guess every moment is really memorable for me. And I guess we're all a family, but if you talk about specific moments, with my chutanki, it will be so like whenever we're on the set, she'll have to come and sit in my lap. So that is one memory that I have with her, that seat bhi kha liya, wo Ashnu didi ki godi bhi aake baithegi. So that's one memorable moment of mine with chutanki. And with SRG, of course, I mean, we have a lot of fun. We keep pulling each other's leg. And but the most memorable moment was the mock shoot itself when we met for the first time. So we actually met before when I was like really young. So I didn't remember that. SRG reminded me of that. And we had a great time. Like we didn't feel as if we were working together for the first time in the mock shoot, and we gelled up really well. So that's one memorable moment.
So who broke the ice? Like how did you to crack the chemistry?
I guess it happened eventually with time. So as we also didn't know each other and stuff, so we were all on the set because इतने सारे mock shoots हुए थे नील के लिए, इतने सारे, like daily we used to like have so many mock shoots, and everyone on the set used to be very excited, हाँ कि यार ये लड़की का mock shoot है, लड़कियों का mock shoot है. And when finally he came, so we were all discussing कि ऐसे करेंगे वैसे करेंगे, we were planning and plotting. And as soon as he came, like really chivalrously, he introduced himself. He was like, "Hi, Ashnu, remember me? We worked together before." And I guess that was the icebreaker moment when he reminded me of how we've met together before.
So tell us, you have been part of Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, which is like the longest running, one of the longest running shows, and getting to play the character Naira. So how has that experience been? What did you learn being a part of the show?
It's been an amazing experience. Ye Rishta has a huge team and it's a huge family. तो काफी रिश्ते बन जाते हैं उधर. I found an elder brother, Rohan Mehra. I tie him a Rakhi till date. He played my elder brother in the show, and real life में भी वो मेरे elder brother हो गए थे. And I obviously got to learn a lot because Naira as a character, she had so much to portray. To working with Hinadi, with Karan Bhaiya, it was a great experience. So Naira is also very close to my heart.
Are you in touch with them?
Of course I am. I mean, I'm also in touch with my elder version. I'm also in touch with Shivangi Di. I'm in touch with everyone from Ye Rishta.
We have many fan questions.
We are a family. So family to touch mein hai hi.
We have many fans asking, like, share your bond with Shivangi Joshi.
Shivangi Di, she's a sweetheart. Whenever we're shooting nearby, वैसे तो हमारे set बहुत दूर दूर हैं, but you know whenever we have like outdoor shoots and stuff, and we're shooting around. So we make sure that we go to surprise each other on the set, and we share a great bond. So the Naira bond is there, and I just love spending time with her, even though we can't meet regularly because we're both busy with our shows. But whenever we meet, it's like we have a blast.
Any fun moment you can recall of?
Fun moment. Okay, so usually I used to go to surprise her on her Film City set, and one day, coincidentally, she was shooting around my set, and she just sneaked out into my room. So I had like my back facing towards the door, and my mom was sitting in front. तो मम्मा ने देख लिया. मैंने बोला पता नहीं ऐसे why she so surprised. And पीछे से शिवांगी दी just covered my eyes, and she was like, guess who? And I wasn't able to guess. So she gave me certain hints, and I was like, oh my god. So then we met and stuff. So she'd come to surprise me. That's one memorable moment that we have.
So, like in Patiala Babes, you have spoken many times of sharing a very great bond with Paridhi. Do you miss her on the show?
Of course, I mean, not only Paridhi, but all the people, be it Anirudh Bhaiya, Mohit, Hunardi, I miss all of them. And yeah, we are still in touch because we live around, me and Paridhi, we live around. And we also used to go to the same gym. तो जिम में कभी कभार हम मिलते हैं, and yeah, it was an amazing experience working with them, and yeah, I do miss all of them.
So, on-screen mom and off-screen gym buddies.
Yeah. We also used to cheat together. Cheat and gym दोनों साथ में.
What like cheating में क्या included था? Like diet wise?
Diet wise, so we weren't allowed to have any junk. लेकिन I remember we had gone to Patiala, and उधर जो हमने hogging की है, especially street food. So both of us love street food, and उधर हमने साथ में मिलके cheat किया था. We were like चलो निकल जाए time, फिर last day जो होगा हम इधर के जो छोले भटूरे हैं वो खा के जाएंगे. उधर के स्पेशल, तो हमने वो साथ में चीट किया था. फिर जिम में भी हम साथ में कैलोरीज बर्न कर रहे थे उसके लिए.
So, like who was stricter when you were gymming?
Who was stricter? I guess both of us have different workouts because obviously we are in different age groups and we have different types of diets as well. So because I'm in a growing age, so I had a different type of a workout. So you can actually compare them. So yeah, I guess both of us do our best.
We'll take some more fan questions now.
Yes.
Uh,
Hi,
Aditi
Siraj.
Pusti has asked, Ashnu, please share your study plan. I think we have lost Ashnu due to some internet issue. Just stay tuned, guys. I think we'll reconnect. So we will once again connect with Ashnu. Internet issue. We are trying to connect with Ashnu once again. Guys, stay tuned. There is internet issue. We are connected. And you're back.
Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, there was some problem with the network, as I just told you. So, yes,
Yeah.
where were we? We were answering fan questions. Yes. Hi,
Yeah.
guys, I'm back. वो कुछ internet problem हो गया था. You know, these
Yeah,
days
a
everyone is
fan.
at home, तो तो सब लोग इंटरनेट यूज कर रहे हैं. Tell me your skincare, please. Skincare is gonna come up on my YouTube channel soon, so you can check that out. Hi,
So we had a fan
Shweta.
question asking about
Yes.
study plan.
My study plan. Well, currently I've taken commerce, and after this, like any other student, I'm still confused, and I'm still juggling with my thoughts about which stream do I need to choose. So I'm still confused. I'm still wondering. But yeah, something related to this industry, or I mean, I don't know. I'm confused. I'm very confused.
So you have been part of Bollywood films like Sanju and Man Marzia. How has that experience been?
That was a totally different experience. Obviously, working in television since such a long time and then going to movies. So both of them are totally two different things. And actually, working with such great personalities like Anurag Kashyap sir, Rajkumar Hirani sir, with Ranbir Bhaiya, Manisha Kurala ma'am, Paresh Rawal sir. Then in Manmarzian there was Tapsi Di, Vicky Bhaiya, Abhishek sir. So it was an amazing experience just working with all of them, observing them. Made you learn a lot, and you did only learn some things related to acting, but also related to your behavior and your off-screen skills. So बहुत मजा आया shoot करके, and I had an amazing time.
So any off-screen like fun moment you can share which we don't know?
So me and Anurag sir always used to keep pulling each other's leg. And बीच में ना उनका पेट खराब हो गया था. And there was this masaledar chicken because they were shooting in Amritsar outdoor. So there was this really nice tandoori chicken, and I used to taste him कि sir आपने chicken खाया आज? And he used to be like, तू shoot मैं तुझे बताता हूँ. So that's one memory with Anurag sir.
So फ्यूचर में क्या देखेंगे बॉलीवुड में जाएंगे या टीवी में ही कंटिन्यू?
Let's see where destiny takes me. I would love to go to Bollywood because I've explored a lot of TV. I would love to explore more of Bollywood. But let's see what's planned for me.
So Ashnu, being an youth icon at this age, do you feel pressurized?
I feel responsible. I feel responsible of conveying the right message, of being the right role model for everyone, and for actually portraying things as they are in a positive way and not illusionistic things. So I feel responsible more than pressurized.
So, like, how do you maintain social media attention at this age? Because we've seen youngsters of this age and time are mostly on their phones. So, what would you like to tell them? Like, how to balance studies? Like, yeah, stay focused basically.
Um, well, of course, social media these days, everything has its own pros and cons, and social media also has its pros. It's not just bad all the time. You get to know many things on social media. You get because obviously websites and all those things, the information that you need as a citizen or as a student is also sometimes available on the social media. You're influenced in the right way because of social media, but that's in your hands. How do you use the information, and how do you take the influencers? It's not just looking at them and being awestruck, but it's actually looking at them, getting motivated, working on yourself and your studies along with it. So I guess where there's a will, there's a way, and it's in your hands how much you want to balance things, and how much interest you have.
So, being a social media influencer, are you conscious while posting a picture or a video on
Of course, of
Instagram or
course.
other social media platforms?
Of course, I am, because I know as an influencer, if I am popular, if I have certain number of audience, it is also my responsibility to post the correct things, to give the convey message and convey the right things to the audience. Because obviously, since we know that in this digital era, people get influenced very easily, and most of the influential things happen on social media. So you have to be really cautious about what you post.
being on social media also, like sometimes you get trolled. So have you faced online trolling ever?
I wouldn't say trolling. I've never faced like trolling, but obviously, if you have certain fans, you also have some people who oppose your opinions and who oppose you. So, of course, like any other celebrity, even I have some people who do oppose me, but I actually take that as a positive way. I take that as a motivation that if they say something, I take that as a thing that okay, अगर ऐसा है, I'll do even better. So that motivates me, but that doesn't let me down. And plus, I have so
Uh,
many people who love me, so I'm really thankful for that.
so coming to social media, do your parents ever complain कि अश्नूर बहुत देर तक फोन पे हो, फोन रखो अभी?
नहीं नहीं, I'll be very honest with this. Starting में होता था when you know this trend had just begun. Uh, so all of us we started together, and उस time mom used to be like, अरे छोड़ो, this is the फालतू की चीजें, let them be and stuff. But now that we're seeing social media has got such a great impact, and all the people are getting active on social media. So mom was like, okay, if you want, you can get active. But then, of course, again, it's the thing about balancing. I just keep like 2-3 hours a day for my phone, and the rest of the time I'm doing something productive. So I never give a chance to complain.
Also, Ashnur, like many actors of your age are doing shows where they are playing the lead roles and also doing romantic scenes, like Jannat, Reem. Do you have reservations doing such roles?
Yes, of course I do, because I feel, I mean, everyone has their own opinions, everyone has their own priorities and their own choices. Everyone's free to do whatever type of role they feel is good for them. If you talk about me personally, and it's the collective decision of me and my parents, we want to go according to age. Because obviously, यार आगे पूरी life पड़ी हुई है. This time won't come back. The teenage phase won't come back, and currently, yes, when I was on a break for a few months, I did get offers from certain shows. I wouldn't want to name them. Uh, but they were married characters or they were adult characters. So I don't want to do that as of now, because I feel I'm too young for that. And शादी वगैरह की रोल मुझे अभी नहीं करनी. I'm a teenager and I want to play a teenager. That's it.
And what about reality shows?
I would love to, but I guess right now I'm a minor still, so I can't do reality shows. Like I'm not uh, legal, like eligible legally. So I guess I'll have to wait for another 3 years to be a part of any reality show.
So, any difficulties you faced while finding the role of like the perfect teenager, like according to your criteria, the kind of roles you would want to play?
Difficulty, I would say I had to become choosy. Because there was after Ye Rishta, I did Sanju and Manmarziya, which were of course characters of my age. Then I had several commercial ads. I had several music videos, and then I did Prithvi Vallabh, which was again a historical show, and that was my age. And then I got Patiala Babes. So I guess worth the wait. Patience do turn out to be fruitful. So I got a character that was suitable according to my age, and I guess Patiala Babes, not only age wise but all the criteria that I was looking forward for in my next project met them. Be it the storyline, be it a strong message to the audience, or be it performance oriented scenes, and of course playing my age. So I got all the things in one show.
We'll take some more fan questions, or if you want to scroll and
Of
answer a
course,
few.
I will. Hi Ikra, how are you doing? Hi Aryan. Hi Abhishek. Hi Prabjot Singh. दी आप हसनैन भाई के साथ म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाओ. ठीक है, we'll do that soon. We'll work that out after our lockdown gets over. Ash, please tell your daily routine, morning to night. Okay, so on weekdays, I have my online classes till about 2 o'clock, and after that, I freshen up. I have my leisure time. I have 1 hour of my phone. So I interact with all of you guys in that 1 hour, and then I've started sketching these days. So sometimes I sketch, I write my diary, I read books, I study, of course, because 12th है यार, इस साल तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So I study, and then I also have 1 hour of workout, and then I sometimes I watch a movie or something, or just spend time with my mom, and then I sleep on time. So it's like early to bed, early to rise types. I'm also
So,
from
you
India,
are,
and you are my inspiration. Thank you so much, Sanjay. Means a lot. Your favorite actor, Vicky Kaushal. Yes, you were saying something?
yeah, you have worked with him. If you can say something from
Yes.
the experience you have had.
Um, he is fabulous. As an actor and also as a human being, Vicky Bhaiya, he actually used to treat me like his younger sister. So हम छतों पे घूमते थे because he was shooting in Amritsar. So we had this huge terraces, and we used to go for walks, and even he used to kind of tease me because I was the youngest on the set, and we had a great time. I got to learn a lot from him. वो किसी कैरेक्टर में जाते तो एकदम घुस जाते हैं. So he's an actor, and a really great actor, I would say.
Who are your closest buddies in TV industry?
In TV industry, well, many of them, yeah. So many people who are so close to me. Uh, Even from my show, actually, I have Yusuf Sir, I have Saurabh, Rushita, Jannat's there, and so many people. Like, they're endless. I have a long list of people. तो अगर मैं नाम लेने लग गई तो पूरा लाइफ उसी में निकल जाएगा.
So, how do you manage spending time with each other because you always have this busy schedule?
Yes, of course, all of us are busy with our own projects. Um but I guess we stay in touch on social media, and we keep talking to each other on maybe on our call or on a text. So I guess we manage somehow.
Any
Have you
crazy
watched
thing
the
you all
movie
have
Razi?
done
Yes,
together?
I have watched the movie Razi, and I loved Vicky Bhaiya in that.
Uh, I was asking, like, anything crazy you have done together
Who?
with your friends, Jannat and all.
With my friends. Um, Anything crazy? Well, I guess I don't think so off screen. I mean, obviously, when we visit each other at home, then we do crazy stuff. And even on set, I mean, we have a blast on set. If you might have seen my off screen BTS on Instagram, we are like a family, and we keep pulling each other's leg, and we keep having these fun sessions. And we also play pranks on each other on set. So it's amazing.
One prank, if you can recall.
One prank. Okay. Okay, yeah. So it was my last scene, and so basically it was like we had this cake cutting scene. I had to go while just cutting the cake. So Saurabh, he was like, "चलो जिसका भी pack up सबसे पहले होगा," because he knew I was gonna pack up first. So he was like, "जिसका भी pack up पहले होगा उसके मुंह पे आप cake लगाएंगे." I was like, "No way, I have my emotional scene. फिर मुझे जाना है, I need to study." तो जैसे ही कट हुआ, and he just confirmed with the director इशारों में कि इसका हो गया ना, and all the co-actors they just came and they put cake all over my face, and I had a nice cake facial.
So, what are your plans for your 16th birthday? It's on 3rd May.
Lockdown है, क्या करूँगी?
Yeah. Hopefully
Yeah,
that's the last day. Like,
yeah. But I guess it's gonna extend. Let's see what happens because the number of cases are increasing. And I'm gonna celebrate my birthday at home with my mom. And we're just gonna have fun. Like, we'll try to have fun staying home.
so Ashnur, you belong to the TV industry, and being a teenager, TV industry has like good and bad people both. So, like, you started acting also at quite a young age. So, how have your parents guided you throughout?
They've guided me, and they still guide me. They've always accompanied me, one of them. dad on weekends because on weekdays he's working. Until date, one of them accompanies me, be it my events or be it my shoot. So they come with me daily and they're always there to guide me in whatever step.
So you take their advice like at every step?
Of course, of course. Like all the decisions that we make, they're all collective.
We'll take some fan questions.
Next year, working on web series on Netflix. Well, next year, I don't know. अगर पटियाला भी ऐसे चल रहा होगा, so well and good. बाकी देखते हैं where if I get a good offer with a nice story. Hello from London. Hello from Mumbai. Stay safe. Hi, Abhilasha.
Who is
Yes.
We have a fan question. Khan Era 8097. Hi Ashnu, who is your favorite role model?
Hi, Khanera. My favorite role model are my parents. I really look up to them. Hi, Anushka. Hi, Neelam. Hi, Sarah Khan.
We have another fan question. Ojash with Apa 2. One thing that quarantine has taught you.
Quarantine has taught me, I guess, to stay happy in whatever you have and appreciate the little things in life.
Okay, Ashnu, on the ending note, any message for your fans?
Well, I would just want to say that thank you guys for all the love and just keep showering your love. Since many people have been asking me when is Patiala Babes gonna be back, chill, it's okay.
We have lost connection with her once again.
So yeah, I was saying ki, it's okay guys, it's just a phase, we'll be back soon. And Patiala Babes will also be back really soon. We're just waiting for the lockdown to get over and then we're gonna resume shooting. Till then, all of you guys, please stay indoors, stay safe, and take care of yourself, take precautions, and stay positive. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ashnu. Thank you for
Bye.
chatting with us. Thanks. Bye.